it's either contributing to health or going against health. You know what I mean? Is this providing me fuel? Is it delicious? Sure. Okay, fine. But is it helping with my cells? Is it helping with my brain? Is it helping with my goals of having more energy, building muscle, being more productive, having better libido, having better appreciation for life? I mean, all these things do affect how we feel. Right?
Right.
And we feel it. Who feels good after beer and a pizza? Nobody.
I
It's
feel wow.
delicious.
I feel good during the beer
Yes.
pizza. I feel great.
Yum. But when you're done, no one feels great. So we just have to start. And then I would say also, no one's 100%. I'm not perfect. No one is perfect. It's about doing your best most of the time. And I do still see people lose weight, gain muscle, improve cholesterol, reverse diabetes when they just do their best most of the time. We're talking 70% of the time, maybe 80% of the time, right? We don't have to be 100%. I think that's a thing that stands in the way of people even starting. They think they have to be good
I
every day.
agree with that. And I have to do it for an hour and a half. I have to run a marathon from the beginning versus 10 minutes. For me, I said I'm going to start at 10 minutes.
Yeah. That's how I started, in my pajamas. I wouldn't even put on workout clothes. 10 minutes a day is what I did in pajamas because I refused to put on workout clothes.
I respect that too. I understand. I do the same. Whatever. Okay. That's super helpful. And it's just really to your point. I'm doing my best. 70% of the time, you want to make sure you're being consistent, but you don't have to be perfect. You're going to have your cheat days, whatever. And it's just starting. It could be 2 minutes. It could be 5 minutes. It could be 10 minutes. It's just starting and keeping consistency. And if you can add a couple minutes to whatever you're doing. And then you also said, watch what you're putting in your mouth. Make sure the stuff that is going in there is actually stuff that's helping you be better.
And if you need help with diet, if you need help with exercise, hire someone for a few months. They're going to give you a wealth of knowledge. It will change your world.
You can also chat GPT it nowadays, but I would also rather talk to a real doctor or somebody that really can help. And I'm going to make sure that people know how to reach you because people are like, well, I don't know where to go to. And I think they should be able to go to you as well. But you were about to say something. You're not a fan of chat GPT when it comes to this stuff?
Not necessarily. I use it like, hey, find me a research article on this thing, right? And I like it. I think that it's a good place to start. I'll say that.
All right, cool. All right, we're going to wrap this up. And it's already been an hour, which is insane. I always like to end it with it's called quick fire questions, a 2-minute drill. Quick question, quick answer. See if we can wrap this thing up. What is one supplement that you think almost everyone should take?
Vitamin D.
Vitamin D. You did say that. All right. Since you already said that, what's the next supplement?
We already talked about it, but magnesium probably.
Okay, cool. The worst health myth that refuses to die.
Fat is bad. Get over it.
Fat is good? So like what I'm doing right now with my dad bod, it's good?
No, I mean fat that you consume.
Okay. Not stored.
It's bad. That's a myth. It's good for you. Fat is good for you to eat. Not to hold on to.
Okay. I will work on that then. What's one thing that most people overcomplicate about their health that's actually simple?
Eating vegetables. You can buy them already chopped. You can eat them raw or cooked or roasted or soups. It's so easy, but people really do complicate it.
Sure. Make it taste good, but don't throw sugar or do something that takes away the nutritional value, but make it something that tastes good to you.
Even butter is okay.
Oh, okay. What's the best health advice you've ever received?
Well, for me, it was calorie restriction, that I shouldn't restrict calories. And I think this is probably true for a lot of people. There's a lot of people, they think they're eating too much, and then they stop eating or eat very little. Most people in this country are not eating enough food. Nutritious food.
Okay.
Our macronutrients, fat, healthy carbs, complex carbs, and protein.
That's good call out of healthy foods. Because I was like, aren't we the biggest we've ever been? We're not eating enough of the good stuff.
The good stuff.
Okay. So I can't keep eating my McDonald's, whatever. Last quick question.